look at it. It says it on here.
Okay.
So you know this 13, 14, or 15, 16.
Okay.
So you know the 13, 14 is for?
Distal of posteriority.
I have
She have it written.
That's good. Distal posteriority. So when you use this instrument, when you place it, the terminal shank is this part. Okay. We keep talking about the terminal shank. This is the terminal shank. Don't worry about it. You could have 15 angles, it doesn't matter. This is the terminal shank. That's what's important. So if you want to figure out where the cutting edge is, if you hold that terminal shank perpendicular to the floor, okay, when you look at it, you're going to see a tilt. The lower side is your cutting edge. Okay, so that's the side you're going to use. That's the side you're going to sharpen. So when you put that in on the distal, keep that terminal shank parallel to the long axis of the tooth. So when that's parallel long axis of the tooth, you're already in the correct. So you don't have to worry about anything other than doing your strokes. So you go as far as you can from the facial. You flip it. You do as far as you can from the lingual. You're done with the distal of this tooth. Then you can do the distal of this tooth. You can do the distal. You can do all the distals. Then you're going to put this down. Then you pick up your 15, 16.
from your side.
When you pick up your 15, 16, now you're going to go through and you're going to do all the mesials. From the facial, you do the mesials from the lingual. So now you've done mesial and distal, right? Now all that's left is your facial and lingual. So which instrument am I going to pick?
7 and 8.
7 and 8. Okay. The 7, 8. So 7, 8, you go in and you just basically from line angle to line angle. Facial, lingual. You've done all the way around each tooth.
So all of these work for both the quadrants.
Yes, they work for all hands. Yeah.
Oh my God. What about the anteriors, doctor?
Yeah, so for the anteriors,
okay.
you can use this 1, 2, which the Gracie 1, 2, the mini.
Okay.
So it's a mini. So this could be used. See how small it is? So it's great for getting into these little pockets. See, I can actually do vertical strokes in here.
Right.
I can do the mesial with it. I can flip it. I can do the surface away from me, I should say. Over here, I can flip it and do this side. I can use this for the anteriors, all the anteriors.
Okay.
So you can use this for the anteriors. If you're going to use Gracie's for your whole case,
Then this one.
you're using these four.
What we gonna use this one for?
Langer?
Yeah.
Langer is universal. You can use it anywhere, but this is great for when you're doing heavy calculus removal because you have a more rigid shake,
Send us this.
which means when you're trying to engage a heavy piece of calculus, it won't flex over it. Whereas all these other ones are standard, they can flex over a heavy piece of calculus.
Okay.
You can use this anyway. Yep.
And you said this is for finishing, right? If we like do ultrasonic or whatever, yeah.
This one?
You said this
Yeah.
diagram.
So R3, R4. This one it's a prophy type instrument.
Okay.
It can be used everywhere, but it's for shallower pockets.
Okay.
Because see how it's got a very simple angle.
Yeah.
It's not gonna. It won't penetrate very deep into a pocket.
Okay. And what about this one, doctor?
That's that. Forget the number.
Scaling?
This is a scaler. Just know it as a scaler.
Why does it have a number?
I don't know why they put that in there. Messes people up. And sometimes they flip these two instruments around with each other. So this is scaler. Yeah. See, so this company is giving it the SAR 13, 14. That's why they're putting it here.
Okay.
But just know it as a scaler. There's only one scaler. It's for supragingival calculus removal only, and it's a triangular in shape.
Oh, okay. I can't write on this, right? No.